Srangshlo shakne otu Malkhungbai berete Hasteo Phaioi Sokphaikha Australia Hakotorni Alax mungwi Khoroksa Borok. Bukhau musungma tongkhai Borok munshirok tama khlaiban ya tong. Abu haikino shakne musungma tongmabai shakne otu Malkhungbai berete Hasteo Phaioi Sokphaikha Australia Hakotorni Alax mungwi Khoroksa Borok. Shaltamrobai gondoshara amsayo bereke oborok Hasteo dal bidal thai bere naimani yakulo Hai ulote washa Tripura Hasteo bere Phaioi khnai Phaioi khnaraka Alax mungwi Australia ni Phaioi oborok.
Today I'm going to Ambala. Ambasa.
Did you went Narikal Kunjo?
Where?
Narikal Kunjo? You should went there.
I've been told it's beautiful. I'm running out of time. I need to get to my next
Now where do you
spot.
go?
Today I will go to maybe my rickshaw.
Tripura good ka aapko kaisa laga?
Tripura is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. Yeah. It's been I've traveled a lot in India. Tripura is one of my favorite places. I've only been here 5 days, but it's been incredible. Beautiful scenery, history, the culture. People are super friendly. Food. So I've been here. Yeah, it's beautiful. I will come back. And the chai is very good too. Cheers. And then I will go across to Aizawl in Mizoram. Aizawl?
Mari Mizoram থেকে তোমরা দিয়ে
And then I will travel in Mizoram.
কোন ইয়ে যাইবো যাচ্ছে?
What is your name?
My name is Alax.
Alex.
From Australia. Australian rickshaw.
Australia rickshaw.
Yeah.
Bureau report Chini Khorang.